Hello and welcome, dear students. To evaluate the limits, there are different methods, that is factorization method, simplification method, rationalization method, and substitution method. So one by one we will see all these methods. So first we will see what is factorization method. So in this method we evaluate limit of the type limit of p of x divided by q of x as x tends to a, where p of x and q of x are polynomials in Ex. So in factorization method, we have to evaluate limit of this type, limit of p of x divided by q of x as x tends to a. What is this method? Note that we have to factorize both p of x and q of x. After factorization, we have to cancel the common factor and then we take the limit. So we factorize both p of x and q of x and cancelling the common factor, then take the limit. Then take the limit as before. After cancelling common factor, we can take the limit. For example, let limit as x tends to 2, x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x square plus 3x minus 10. So here p of x means numerator, q of x means denominator. So first we factorize limit as x tends to 2, factors for numerator x minus 3 into x minus 2, and factorize denominator. For that, factors are x plus 5, x minus 2, right? 5 minus 2, 3, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. So always we get here common factor. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 2. So we can cancel here common factor x minus 2, x minus 2, and we get x minus 3 divided by x plus 5. And now we can take the limit. Replace x by 2 here. So we get here x equal to 2 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 5. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 plus 5, 7. So note that minus 1 by 7 is the limit. So by using factorization method, we can evaluate limit, we can find the limit. Okay. So we solve some problems depends upon this factorization method. So first problem, evaluate limit as z tends to 2 in bracket z square minus 5z plus 6 divided by z square minus 4. So your solution. So it is equal to limit as z tends to 2. We factorize numerator here, factorize 6 such that their sum is minus 5 and product plus 6. So factors are z minus 3, z minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. And in denominator, we can write z square minus 4 as 4 means 2 square, and then apply formula a square minus b square. So it is equal to limit as z tends to 2, z minus 3 into z minus 2 divided by formula a square minus b square. So we get z minus 2 into z plus 2. So we get here common factor z minus 2, that is cancelled, and we get limit as z tends to 2, z minus 3 divided by z plus 2. And now we can take the limit. replace z by 2. So we get 2 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So minus 1 by 4 is the limit of this problem. Next problem, evaluate limit as x tends to minus 3 in bracket x plus 3 divided by x square plus 4x plus 3. So it is equal to limit as x tends to minus 3, here numerator x plus 3 as it is. We factorize denominator, factors are x plus 3 into x plus 1, right? 3 plus 1 4, 3 into 1 3. We get common factor x plus 3 here, that is cancelled, and we get limit as x tends to minus 3, numerator 1, denominator x plus 1. And now we can take the limit. Replace x by minus 3. So we get here minus 3 plus 1. So we get minus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2. There is minus an outside. We get 2 here. So minus 1 by 2 is the limit. Next, evaluate limit as y tends to 0 in bracket 5y cube plus 8y square divided by 3y to the power 4 minus 16y square. Observe here numerator and denominator. So we can take common here. From numerator we can take y square common in bracket 5y plus 8. From denominator also we can take y square common in bracket 3y square minus 16. And we get here common factor y square, that can be cancelled. After cancelling we get limit as y tends to 0, 5y plus 8 divided by 3y square minus 16. And note that we can take limit here, y tends to 0, put y equal to 0, so we get 5 into 0 plus 8 divided by 3 into 0 square, that is 0 minus 16. So we get 0 plus 8 divided by 0 minus 16. So we get 8 divided by minus 16. So we get minus sign. 8 upon 16 means 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is the limit. Then evaluate limit as x tends to 3, x square plus 2x minus 15 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. So it factorize both numerator and denominator. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 3. Factorize minus 15 such that their sum is plus 2. So factors are 5 minus 3 here, x plus 5, x minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2, 5 into minus 3, minus 15. Similarly, in denominator, factorize 6 such that their sum is minus 5. So here we take minus 3, minus 2. X minus 3 into x minus 2. So we get common factor, x minus 3 cancel, and we get limit as x tends to 3 in bracket x plus 5 divided by x minus 2, and we can take the limit. X tends to 3, put x equal to 3, so 3 plus 5 divided by 3 minus 2. 3 plus 5, 8, 3 minus 2, 1. So answer is 8 here. Next problem, evaluate limit as u tends to 1, u to the power 4 minus 1 divided by u cube minus 1. Solution. So we can write limit as u tends to 1, u to the power 4 can be written u square, its square, minus 1 divided by u cube minus 1. So it is equal to limit as u tends to 1, then apply formula a square minus b square. Here 1 means 1 square. A square minus b square formula is a minus b means u square minus 1, a plus b means u square plus 1. And in denominator we apply formula a cube minus b cube. So formula is a minus b, that is u minus 1, first bracket, second bracket is u square plus u plus 1. Already you know formula. What is formula? A cube minus b cube. The formula is a minus b in first bracket, second bracket is a square plus ab plus b square. So by applying this formula, we have written expansion for denominator. Here a means u, b means 1. A minus b, that is u minus 1. And second bracket, a square means u square, ab means u into 1, that is u, b square means 1 square is 1. So we get this. So it is equal to limit as u tends to 1. Again apply formula a square minus b square. We can write u minus 1 into u plus 1 into u square plus 1 as it is, divided by u minus 1, second bracket u square plus u plus 1, and we get here common factor u minus 1, that is cancel. So it is equal to limit as u tends to 1, u plus 1, right, remaining u square plus 1 divided by u square plus u plus 1, and after cancelling common factor, now we can take the limit. U tends to 1, so put u equal to 1 here. So 1 plus 1, 1 square plus 1 divided by 1 square plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, 2, and denominator 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 times 3. So we get 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3. So 4 by 3 is the limit. Next problem, evaluate limit as x tends to 3 in bracket 1 divided by x minus 3 minus 9x divided by x cube minus 27. So we can write it is equal to limit as x tends to 3 in bracket 1 divided by x minus 3 minus 9x divided by, we have to simplify this, x cube minus 27. 27 can be written 3 cube. Then again apply formula a cube minus b cube here. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 3 in bracket 1 divided by x minus 3 minus 9x divided by formula a cube minus b cube. A minus b means x minus 3, second bracket a square means x square plus ab means 3 into x, and b square means 3 square, that is 9. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 3, then we take LCM, take a common bracket for once here, x minus 3, second bracket x square plus 3x plus 9, or you can take a cross multiplication also. Here x minus 3 cancel here, and we get this bracket into 1, so x square plus 3x plus 9 minus, here denominator and this LCM same, that is cancelled, we get 1, and 1 into 9x is 9x, or you can take simply cross multiplication, then simplify, after cancelling you will get same. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 3 in bracket x square, say plus 3x minus 9x minus 6x plus 9 divided by x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9. Here factorize numerator, so it is equal to limit as x tends to 3, factors x minus 3 and x minus 3, that means factors are x minus 3 square. So the expansion of x minus 3 square, nothing but x square minus 6x plus 9. Denominator same, x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9. Here common factor, that is x minus 3, so one bracket can be cancelled, and we get limit as x tends to 3, one bracket left in numerator x minus 3, denominator x square plus 3x plus 9, and now we can take the limit x tends to 3, put x equal to 3, so we get 3 minus 3 divided by 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 9, So get 3 minus 3, 0 divided by 9 plus 9 plus 9, and that is 0 divided by 27. 0 divided by 27 means 0. So your answer is 0. 0 is the limit. Next problem, evaluate limit as x tends to root 2 x square plus x root 2 minus 4 divided by x square minus 3x root 2 plus 4. So it is equal to, we have to factorize both numerator and denominator. So limit as x tends to root 2, this quadratic equation, factorize minus 4, note that minus 4 such that their sum must be 1 root 2 x and product must be minus 4. So you can take here 2 root 2 and minus 1 root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 means we get 1 root 2, and see a product minus root 2 into root 2, that is minus 2 into 2 means minus 4. So factors are x plus 2 root 2 and second factor is x minus root 2. Similarly, in denominator we have to factorize plus 4 such that their sum is minus 3 root 2. So you can take here minus 2 root 2 and minus root 2. So here addition is minus 3 root 2 and product nothing but minus minus plus root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 2, that means 4. So factors are x minus 2 root 2, x minus root 2. So it is equal to, see here common factor x minus root 2, x minus root cancel here, and we get limit as x tends to root 2, numerator x plus 2 root 2 divided by x minus 2 root 2, and now we can take the limit x tends to root 2. So put here x equal to root 2 plus 2 root 2 divided by root 2 minus 2 root 2. Addition 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2, that is 3 times root 2. Denominator 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 root 2. Root 2 cancel here, we get minus sign and 3. So minus 3 is the limit. Next problem, evaluate limit as x tends to 2, x cube minus 7x plus 6 divided by x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. So first we write here, note that we have to factorize both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator contains polynomials of degree 3 here, so we have to factorize. So for that, for our convenience, we write here let capital L. Note that capital L stand for given limit, given problem. L equal to, suppose given problem, limit as x tends to 2 in bracket x cube minus 7x plus 6 divided by x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. So to factorize both numerator and denominator. First consider numerator, x cube minus 7x plus 6. So we have to find factors for this polynomial. Note that by using synthetic division method we have to factorize this. So for that, first rule is index of this x must be in decreasing order. Note that here term containing x square is absent. So for that we write here 0 into x square. So this can be written x cube, x square absent we take as 0 into x square, then minus 7x plus 6. That is first rule. Index of x must be in decreasing order, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Then we take coefficients. Coefficients are 1, 0, minus 7, 6. So write coefficients here 1, 0, minus 7 and 6. Synthetic division method. Then note that here x tends to 2 given, so this limit is 2. So write 2 here, then take 1 below as it is here, and then take product 1 into 2, write product here 2, then addition 2 plus 0 is 2, again 2 into 2 we get here 4, minus 7 plus 4 means minus 3, and minus 3 into 2 we get here minus 6. Note that always this last difference must be 0, we must get this 0, and therefore we can write for numerator x cube minus 7x plus 6 equal to, note that first factor x tends to 2 given. When x tends to 2, always numerator becomes 0. When you put here x equal to 2, this will be 0. That means one of the factor is x minus 2. So first factor from given limit, that is x minus 2, is the first factor, and second factor written from these three numbers. So last number constant, multiply by x and then multiply by x square. So 1 into x square, we write here x square, second term 2x and minus 3 constant as it is. So these are factors for numerator. Similarly, now consider denominator. Denominator is x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. Here note that power of x is in already decreasing order, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we take only coefficients directly. Here coefficients are 1, minus 7, 16, minus 12. So write coefficients 1, minus 7, 16, minus 12. And one of the factor is x minus 2. Our x tends to 2 given, so write that 2 here. Take 1 below as it is, then 1 into 2 is 2, minus 7 plus 2 means minus 5, minus 5 into 2 minus 10, 16 minus 10 6, 6 into 2 12. So minus 12 plus 12 0. Note that always this difference is 0, and therefore we can write factors for x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12 is equal to, always first factor from this means x minus 2, and second factor from these three numbers 1 into x square, second term minus 5x, and last term is plus 6. Then we substitute these factors in given problem. Given problem is we have taken L. So L equal to limit as x tends to 2 and factors for numerator x minus 2 into x square plus 2x minus 3, and factors for denominator x minus 2, x square minus 5x plus 6, and we get here common factor x minus 2, that is cancelled, and we get limit as x tends to 2, x square plus 2x minus 3 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Again we get quadratic equations in both numerator and denominator. Again we factorize, so it is equal to limit as x tends to 2, and factors are for a numerator x plus 3, x minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, and factors for a denominator x minus 3, x minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. But here note that there is no common factor between numerator and denominator, no any common factor, and therefore we have to take the limit here. If you put here x equal to 2, if you replace x by 2, what do you get here? 2 plus 3, 5, 2 minus 1, that is 1. In denominator we get 2 minus 3 here, and 2 minus 3 and 2 minus 2 here. X minus 2 means we put, note that there is factor x minus 2 in denominator, and when we take limit, when I put x equal to 2, we get here 2 minus 2. That means we get 0 in denominator, and when 0 is in denominator, that is meaningless quantity, so we call it as infinity. And in this case, in such case, we can write solution as limit does not exist. Because when x tends to 2, denominator becomes 0 here. So we get 0 in denominator, right? Note that, what do you get? Numerator 2 plus 3, that is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, denominator 2 minus 3 minus 1, and 2 minus 2 means 0. Not necessary to write this, right? That means we get 5 divided by 0, and that is meaningless quantity. Note that 0 is in denominator, that is meaningless quantity. That means limit does not exist here. That is the answer. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you.